Hi, good morning. And for this video, I'll just present you a quick information guide about IP and web security. So we'll go to the first topic is the authentication protocols and how does it work and why. It is to verify identities and black hackers. First, for example, the password base. It is basic auth. It can identify the weak and it can identify also the better. And next, the token based. So as you can see, it's in the example is the login with Google. And next, the encrypted tokens use an SSO, advanced methods. The Kerberos. It uses tickets and enterprise grade. Next is the MFA in the advanced method also. Password plus SMS. Fingerprint and it is the most secure. It avoid auth and TLM, outdated and risky. Prefer auth JWT for apps and APIs. Always use hypertext transfer protocol system plus MFA for logins. Okay, next. IP security architecture. The core components are IPsec or Internet Protocol Security. It encrypts data at the IP layer. Second, core component, firewalls. It filters traffic between networks. And next is the VPN or virtual private networks. It secures remote access via tunneling. The critical protocols are AH or authentication header. It ensures data integrity. The next, ESP, encapsulating security payload. It encrypts payloads. IKE, Internet Key Exchange. This secure key management best and the best practices are use IPsec plus VPNs for site-to-site security. It is this this add also deploy firewalls at not network boundaries. Regularly update encryption keys. Next slide. The web security consideration. The top three threats and fixes. First, the injection hacks. As you can see, these are the risks. SQLI, XSS executing malicious code. And the solution or fix is input validation plus prepared statements. Number two, broken authentication. The risk, credential stuffing, session hijacking, and the solution, MFA plus short-lived JWT tokens. Third, data exposure. The risk or the problem is clear text passwords or API keys. The solution, AES 256 encryption plus HTTPS mandatory. Next slide. So this is the must-do checklist. For developers, sanitize all user inputs, client plus server. Second, use OWA SP cheat sheets. And as for the Ops team, use Autoscan dependencies, Snike or Dependabot. You can also use WAF plus rate limiting. And next for everyone, phishing drills plus MFA enforcement. And this had some quote reminder. Security isn't a feature; it's a mindset. And last but not the least, secure electronic transaction. So what is SET or secure electronic transaction? It is a standard for secure credit card payment online, and it is also jointly developed by Visa MasterCard in 1996. How it works? First, it is for digital signatures. What is dual digital signature? It separates order or merchant and payment bank info. Number two, end-to-end encryption. This works as uses DAS plus RSA hybrid encryption. And last, number three, X509 certificates. It verifies all parties. It can maybe a customer, a merchant, or a bank. Key advantages. For customer, card details never shared with merchants. As for merchants, reduce fraud liability. And for the bank, secure authorization, legacy, and modern alternatives. Set in 3D secure, verified by Visa, MasterCard, secured code. And today, the tokenization or Apple Pay and Google Play.